In this video, I will show you how to add email signature in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Now, to add email signature, I'd assume you're already going to send the email. Now, you're going to add the receiver of the email. You're going to add a subject, and you add the email body. Once you're done adding the body, if you want to manually insert the signature for every email that you send, you're going to go to the bottom of the page and you see where it says insert signature. You click here. Now you click on these are the two signatures I have. So usually the first option is no signature, the second one is media and tutorials. So if I'm going to send a media email, I'm just going to click on it, and this is just an identifier for this signature. So I choose the signature that I want, and it's going to say Kraus Media, and then I send. Now that's how you add email signature in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.